Hey, kitchen enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of the home, the kitchen. We'll be uncovering the top kitchen trends that are taking over 2023, along with some invaluable design tips and hacks to transform your cooking space. Whether you're looking for a modern makeover, timeless elegance, or functional efficiency, we've got it all covered. Let's get started. 1. Open shelving magic. First up on our list of trends is the magic of open shelving. It's not just a way to showcase your stylish dinnerware, it also adds an airy, open feel to your kitchen. Plus, it encourages organization. You'll have to keep those shelves tidy after all. 2. Smart kitchen solutions. Welcome to the future where kitchens are getting smarter. From touchless faucets to voice-activated appliances, incorporating smart technology can make your kitchen life incredibly convenient. It's all about making tasks easier and more efficient. 3. Sustainable kitchen design. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Sustainable kitchen design is gaining momentum, with eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and waste-reducing layouts taking center stage. You can create a stunning kitchen while being kind to the environment. 4. Multifunctional islands. Kitchen islands are no longer just countertops. They're becoming multifunctional hubs. From serving as breakfast bars to housing extra storage and even hidden appliances, the kitchen island is the ultimate multitasker. 5. Creative storage solutions. Small or large, every kitchen can benefit from creative storage solutions. Think pull-out pantry shelves, corner drawers, and vertical dividers. These hacks optimize space and keep clutter at bay. There you have it, the top kitchen trends of 2023, along with some fantastic design tips and hacks to transform your cooking space.